Imagine this. You've prepared for months. You reach the examination center and you're finally set to give one of the most important examinations of your life. The timer starts and suddenly the system freezes. Yes, the system freezes. The students start panicking, the invigilators look confused, and simultaneously, the social media is flooded with complaints. Well, this is what exactly seems to have happened in today's CUET examination that was supposed to be conducted by NTA. In today's CUET examination, many students reported the problem of screen freezes and delayed starts, ultimately leading to a confusion in examination timings. And क्योंकि background NTA का related to CUET बहुत रहा है in delaying the schedule of the examination, the students' frustration was pretty natural and expected. NTA released an official statement after the issue. It reported that there was a technical glitch according to their partner Tata Consultancy Services who was conducting the examination. Although उन्होंने ये भी clarify किया that the students were given compensatory time for the delays that happened and therefore no student was affected due to the technical glitch. There are a lot of rumors that CUET will be reconducted, but as of now officially NTA ने ऐसा कोई statement नहीं दिया है. It is not going to reconduct in the CUET examination under any circumstances as of now. This is what the official statement is. So ऐसी situation से what should we learn out of this whole experience of the CUET aspirants that they had today कि technical glitch की वजह से there was a delay in the examination, there was a delay in the appearance of the questions on the screen froze, etc. etc. Basically ये पूरा experience हमें ये चीज़ बताता है that of course these technical glitches will remain क्योंकि human error और technology error is something that you cannot expect and avoid at 100% level. तो हम लोगों को preparation ऐसी रखनी है कि हम लोग उस panic mode में भी सही आंसर करें क्योंकि उस पैनिक मोड में गलत आंसर्स टिक करने का प्रोबेबिलिटी एंड पॉसिबिलिटी बिकम्स अ लिटिल हायर. उस पैनिक मोड में स्टूडेंट्स ने जब पेपर दिया है दे डेफिनेटली वांट रिकंडक्ट ऑफ द एग्जामिनेशन, बट क्या एनटीए ये बात समझेगी? आई रियली डोंट थिंक सो. So if you're a serious CUET aspirant, my sincere advice to you is कि make your preparation very solid. Make it that solid that this kind of panic mode around you or this kind of panic environment is not able to affect your preparation. And that's the reason that I've decided to expand Fit the Lit. Till now, we have covered CBSE updates, examinations, and writing tips. But from now onwards, I am also going to take up the preparation of CUET English. The vocabulary, grammar, writing skills, all that you require, everything that will help you maximize your score will be available on Fit the Lit very soon. So yes, the concerns raised by students deserve attention and I hope the authorities addresses them in an appropriate manner. But we as aspirants have the responsibility to make our preparation damn solid. Because at the end of the day, the best kind of response to any challenge is competence. So if you are a serious CUET aspirant, make sure that you remain connected with Fit the Lit. Don't let a technical glitch become your story. Let your scores speak for you.